At the zenith of environmental monitoring and data collection stands the African Monitoring of the Environment for Sustainable Development, AMESD, as an epitome of regional and continental environmental information dissemination center. AMESD is an international environmental project whose aim is to enable informed decision-making in the fields of environmental management in Africa. This project is funded through the European Development Fund.
The program is implemented through 5 regional economic committees. It's coordinated by the African Union Commission on behalf of the regional communities. Here in the SADC region, it is represented through the Department of Meteorological Services, which has been designated to implement the project on behalf of the SADC region.
The mandate of AMESD is to oversee the agricultural and environmental resource management. This has led to the development of 3 operational thematic services, which are agriculture, drought and fire, including the support service of long-range forecasts.
The 4 key result areas that we are focused on: 1, improved access to Earth observation data; 2, coming up with geoinformation services which are geared towards addressing environmental and agricultural issues. Number 3, we are focused on capacity building.
This should enable ministries of agriculture, ministries of environment, universities and researchers have access to essential data sets vital for informed decision-making in the region. AMESD provides improved access by SADC users to existing basic Earth observation, field and ancillary data through receiving stations that are regularly upgraded and kept in an operational state.
The station has really improved the data access, especially in relation to the courses that we offer at the college. Those courses depend on data that we access through the station. Previously, we relied on maybe internet downloads.
An adequate technical capacity level of AMESD SADC stakeholders is ensured in the long term by targeting regional universities as partners in the capacity building initiative.
We have capacity building partners, which includes Botswana College of Agriculture here in Botswana, University of Botswana, and the University of Zimbabwe.
The Agricultural Service monitors the state of the crops and rangeland. The service provides products which covers most of the information requirements of decision makers and of the institutions interested in crop monitoring and food security. The products of the Agriculture Service are also addressed to monitor the environment and provide an early warning tool for possible hazards, and are operationally disseminated to users via UMEDcast. The Drought Service monitors drought during the whole year and delivers a decadal drought map and a drought outlook in support of both agriculture and environmental issues. The Drought Service relies heavily on the development of an open-source drought monitoring software that will capacitate users to develop drought products that will inform decision makers regarding drought situations in their respective countries.
We can now assist ministry officials to identify hotspots that need visiting or further investigation.
This application is developed by the Agriculture Research Council of South Africa. The output data from this software is distributed through the UMEDcast system in near real time, while a historical archive will accompany the software. The Fire Service provides a daily risk fire indication, continuous active fire maps, and monthly burnt area assessments.
The active fire data gives us where the fire is burning. The burnt area helps us in having statistics, delineating the area that is burnt. We end up having a figure of how much has been affected in terms of hectareages.
The Fire Service is based on the AMESD Fire Station, which features the AMESD Fire Terminal application developed by the CSIR Meraka Institute in South Africa. The service is primarily developed to facilitate ministries of environment within the participating member states to manage fire.
And the data really helped to give us an indication of where we're having problems with wildland fires. And we are able to place our firefighting teams in strategic places.
A common long-range forecast service complements the three main services and provides them a seasonal forecast outlook. This service is based on the long-range rainfall and temperature forecast developed by the South African Weather Services. A number of national trainings have been held in the 11 participating countries, which are usually preceded by workshops for decision makers.
The real impact of the program really is to strengthen policy development framework. So the infrastructure that the program is putting in place, the training and development of services are meant to achieve this.
Online distance training is also offered to a minimum of 33 participants from member states each year to increase capacity in remote sensing and geographic information systems. Users successful in the distance courses are invited to regional trainings. Environmental reports and bulletins are generated with the main target being the decision and policy makers.